Hey everyone, I'm a blockchain developer with years of experience, and in this video I will show you how to earn crypto in just a few minutes using safe cross-chain transfers. Watch until the end, it's going to be super simple and worth your time. Now Uniswap, it's a great for swapping tokens within a single network like Ethereum, but it doesn't support moving assets across different blockchains, so basically you're out of luck. There's other tool out there, but many either charge high fees or just aren't viable for fast or low-cost transfers. So I decided to ask ChatGPT what the best cross-chain solutions are. It suggests a few promising platforms, and I actually tested several of them. And after some trial and error, I found one that actually works better than others. Find the best routes automatically. No sign up, no KYC, just your wallet. And the platform is called bridgescout.org, a super clean and easy to use tool that helps you move tokens across blockchains using the fastest and cheapest bridges available. Guys, it's no KYC, no registration, wallet-only access. You simply select the chains you want to transfer between. For example, I'm already using this platform. I just need to swap 5.35 BNB to Ethereum, and it automatically picked the most efficient option. So, everything is powered by trusted bridges like Stargate or Across or Seabridge and others, guys. So the best part is completely non-custodial, open sources and transparent. The platform actually recommends using Stargate Finance Bridge. Of course, there is other option listed here too, but Stargate is the most efficient for our case. And what's cool is that you can even check the bridge address directly and verify that it's real. So yes guys, it's a legit smart contract address, which means the funds don't just disappear somewhere. So now let's click on the bridge button to connect your wallet. I have already connected mine before, so the platform now analyzes my wallet automatically. So yes, as you can see, my Trust wallet is already connected, and I just need to sign the transaction. So I'm going to my Trust wallet and sign the transaction. Alright, let's wait. Yeah, it's processing right now, we just need to wait for the confirmation. Okay, here we go guys, we just signed the contract, so we can go back to the platform and click that we signed the transaction. So right now, platform is processing our swap and finalizing the transaction. So guys, let's just wait a little bit until confirmation. Alright guys, yeah, successful. So we can go back to our wallet and refresh the page and wait for our Ethereum. As you remember, I transferred 5.35 BNB. And here we go guys, as you can see, we successfully received 1.5 Ethereum on our wallet, and this is the best platform for swapping tokens across EVM-compatible chains. Guys, make your swaps safety, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!